Thank you for buying this 119029 poster frame from Fixtured Displays. This is very nice poster frame designed for 36 by 48 inch posters. In this video, we're going to show you all the components and how this works and dimension details. You have keys, anchors, screws, brackets, and sheet metal screws, and 2 strips of magnets that you would use optionally to secure your poster to the backing. There is a film on the outside and inside. You want to remove that film. You want to give that a light razor blade cut and then peel that off. When cutting, make sure you are super gentle. Don't cut into the big surface. Only stay in the edges. Lock and key are very easy to work with. In the event you lost your key, you wish to order again, you want to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. Send a picture of the key and we'll help you out best we can. Once we have this open, you want to remove the inside protective film as well. And you can use this horizontally or vertically, up to your decision. We now placed the graphics in there, and the magnets are, you can choose to use a few depending on how thick your graphic is. If your graphic is very thick, this magnet may not be necessary, nor would it work for very thick graphics. This would work for with most paper and vinyl stock, but anything thicker than 1/16 of an inch, the magnet force would maybe wanting. In that scenario, you may find other ways to secure your posters. The doors are pneumatic connected, and if you don't have a lot of leverage like the lady is doing, it seems quite strenuous to close and open. In reality, when you set it up in a proper angle, it's fairly easy to work with. And this is how you would lock it. Push it in and then turn the key to lock. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer for businesses and homes. This part number is 119029. You can search this number on our website and locate this item. I'm going to give you some dimensions of this unit. Left to right is 38.2 inches. Top to bottom is 50 inches. The entire board thickness is 2.5 inches. The viewable graphic area is 34 by 46 inches. The aluminum frame is 2 inches, and the graphic itself in this particular example is 36 by 48. It can accommodate the graphics up to 36.6 by 48.4 inches, so give you a little bit of play. And the edge of the inside frame is only 0.8 inches. It is so designed that the outer edge, 2 inches, would cover some of the possible imperfections inside. So that's how this is designed. The lens or the window is a 1/8 of an inch acrylic. The backing is 0.6 millimeter metal, galvanized sheet metal, so it is magnetic. You can again use this portrait or landscape, and we're going to show you the hardware to attach very shortly. The entire frame weighs 27 pounds. If you have a custom job requirement, we love the opportunity to quote you. It comes with 4 brackets. You really just need 2 of those or none, depending on how you choose to install. If you choose to hang it with an external hardware, this is how you would do it. And choose the edge either on the short or long edge, depending the orientation you choose to use. And you will want to fasten the bracket to the frame itself. There are sheet metal screws provided, and then there are 2 long drywall screws provided as well. The sheet metal screws are self-tapping. And flipped, you can see the tip. You just need a power drill to install. And the wood screw is fairly long. Go through your drywall. Hopefully you would use a stud finder because this is 20-some pounds. Now there are definitely people who want to bypass all that, want to make sure the installation is perfect looking. You could just fasten the back panel, which is 0.6 millimeter thick. So it's decent thickness. You can do so as well without using any of this hardware. If you have brick, concrete, or very solid wall, you want to go through, you want to use these anchors, and this is how it works. For how to work with concrete anchors, there are plenty of other YouTube videos you can look at. I hope you like this product and video. Do leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you.